When you get arrested for a DUI, there are two proceedings that are going to happen. The first proceeding is the DMV trying to take your license away. When you were arrested, the cop took your driver's license and gave you a pink sheet. Looks just like this one. DMV order of suspension, and it's also a temporary license, all in one document. The temporary license part is good for 30 days, and then at the end of 30 days, the suspension will go into effect automatically. The length of the suspension depends upon whether you have prior DUI convictions within the past 10 years, or you're under 21 years of age, or you refused a chemical test. The bottom line is the DMV can suspend your driver's license from 4 months to 3 years or more, depending on the circumstances of your individual case. The important part is you've got 10 days from the date of receiving that pink document to preserve your hearing rights with the DMV. That's the first thing I do when a client hires me. Preserving your DMV hearing rights is essential because that is the only opportunity you're going to have to contest the suspension. If you fail to preserve your hearing rights within the 10-day period, then the DMV can deem that as a waiver, and that suspension will then go into effect automatically when the temporary license expires at the end of the 30-day period. The second proceeding is the court trying to punish you for breaking the law. When you were released from jail, you got a notice to appear. Looks just like this one. And at the bottom, there's a court date. That's your arraignment hearing. The arraignment hearing is where the judge advises you of what you're charged with, advises you of your constitutional rights, and then takes your plea, guilty or not guilty. If you plead guilty, the judge will convict you right then and there and will sentence you right then and there as well. Remember, the maximum penalty for a first-time DUI is 6 months in jail, plus alcohol classes and court fines and whatever else the judge wants to throw at you. I'm not saying that the judge is going to give you 6 months. All I'm saying is that is the maximum.